Hi everyone, my name is Shy but everybody calls me Shy. The reason why I chose to take this course is because I have an interest in working with children and family who are at risk. I have a background in child protective services. I was an investigations worker as well as a treatment worker with the state of Delaware Division of Family Services. I also have a background in working with children in a psychiatric setting, well, adolescents. I was an adolescent social worker in a psychiatric hospital. I chose this class because it's right in line with what I want to do, and I think it'll help me build more of my skills, help me to learn, more techniques, and help me to learn like the different resources that are out there. There's tons of resources out there for children and families in these situations. So I want to make sure that I'm, staying current on that, and I'm able to help the families with what they need, and I'm providing the correct information, the correct resources, and just doing the best that I can to improve their overall lifestyle and improve their family situation. So I've seen a lot especially working for child protective services as far as abuse and neglect. And being a mother of a 4-year-old, I personally do not agree with physical abuse. I do not hit my daughter. I try not to raise my voice at her, but I'll be lying if I said I don't. But even as a child, I can remember twice that my mom even had to, spank me. But I've seen where parents, use physical abuse like punching and hitting, and then emotional abuse like name calling and things like that. And it's not effective. I've seen it. It actually, and this is my opinion, it makes the child worse. It makes the behaviors worse. That's just my opinion on that. So for my daughter, like I said, she's only 4, like her thing, the iPad, I take that away. Her whole world is over. So that's how I get to her, if she does something. But I look forward to the class and learning and working with all of you. So good luck in the course, and I look forward to meeting everyone.